It's a deja vu.
From right here, up, down, through, and out to here. Should turn into one piece of 4-inch piping.
I think it should turn into one piece of 5-inch, but you know, that's my thing.
I guess the channel name is Loud and Proud.
Yeah.
So we can get the loud part for sure down.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
And I think that'll give you another 100 horsepower too, right?
Right there, Loud and Proud. Okay, we got it. We got
Something
it.
like there.
Sounds like a man's truck. What is up, Loud and Proud crowd? I hope you guys are doing absolutely awesome today. My dad and I are headed to pick up the Nasty Red and the Gooseneck, and we're going to be saying goodbye to the Nasty Red just for a temporary amount of time. So we're gonna be putting the flatbed on, and tons of guys have been asking what flatbed we're going with. It's just a CM, and it's the standard steel flatbed. It's not like a fancy aluminum $5,000 flatbed or anything like that with all the fancy little cubbies and, you know, crap around them. But it is just going to serve the purpose for what we're gonna use it for, which is just the flatbed. We don't need all the fancy stuff on it. Just something so it can be a good, usable, you know, farm truck, and that's what it's gonna be. So we're gonna head to the barn right now, get the gooseneck hooked up, load the truck up and all that stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the 2 videos yesterday. I told my dad, I was like, obviously, you know, I haven't done this yet on this channel. I've done 2 videos, like one on my other channel and one on this channel on the same day before, but never filming 2 vlogs, editing 2 vlogs, and posting 2 vlogs all the same day. And you guys seem to absolutely love that. It was kind of like, it was one day, but I broke it up into 2 vlogs and kind of 2 topics just through one day. Just kind of split the vlog in half. Instead of having one 20+ minute vlog, I just had 2 that were 10 to 12 minutes. I think most people find a little bit easier to watch through a video that's 10 minutes versus, you know, 20+. So that's my new goal, is to keep them 10 to 13-ish if I can. More people seem to enjoy them, you know, a lot less video to go through, and they get a chance to see another video if I can make it a little bit different.
Actually, yesterday was the first time I actually drove the truck, I believe.
Ever.
Outside of just
backing it up.
Backing in and pulling around the barn, so it was nice.
Yeah, that we could have done a video on that. Dad's first time driving a truck he bought 5 months ago.
5 months ago, September, yeah. September.
Yeah, 4 trucks. It's kind of hard to drive them all.
So much to keep up with.
Yeah. So stinking windy out.
Start this beast up.
That exhaust is so flippin' loud. Holy smokes. Wow. So what we're gonna do really quick, just all the smoke in the barn. What we're gonna do really quick is get all this stuff off the trailer. We'll get the trailer hooked up to the KingRanch, and then I will get back to you in just a second. Now we're going to get to loading that Nasty Red on. Love pulling trailers behind this trailer. It's always a good time. Just don't want to be downwind with all that sawdust flying off the trailer. How far is this place? An hour and a half?
Yeah, about another 20 minutes, I said.
Yeah, this is just going to be one of those little, oh, wow, you guys haven't seen me without a hat on in a long time, but this is just going to be one of those, like, probably a little bit shorter Sunday vlogs. I did post 2 yesterday, so kind of spoiled you guys a little bit. Essentially what we're going to do is just take the truck, drop it off at the place to get the flatbed done, and then we should be picking it up Tuesday morning. midday. Tuesday morning to midday, hopefully morning, picking the truck back up on the trailer, of course bringing it back to our place. So that's gonna be the deal, that's what we're trying to do. Hey, it's the local junkyard. I'm kidding. Well, here's our place.
Frenchtown.
You got goosenecks, small pull behinds, bumper trailers, class 2s. Starts a little bit rough with that injector leak because it leaks fuel completely out of that line, and then by the time you got to start it back up, it's got to reprime it a little bit before it'll run. They literally sell like everything. I mean, small trailers, dump trailers, like that. They got livestock trailers, flatbeds, all different kinds, aluminum, steel, skirted, not skirted, compartments, no compartments.
Yeah, I found them on the internet and they had good prices, but then the other thing was that they said they do all their wiring stuff to where everything is soldered. It's not just cheap connections and stuff like that. So they assured me they class work, which I don't doubt that. Being in a smart farm community, people say stuff and they mean it. So I'm excited to see the end product.
This is Fullenkamp's Frenchtown Trailer and Supply Co. Like we said. If you guys are interested in any of this stuff, you know, like livestock trailers, dump trailers, just your typical ATV landscaping trailers or whatever you got to use, enclosed trailers, flatbeds of all different kinds, give them a call, check them out. Frenchtown, Ohio is where they're located, which for us is what, an hour and a half south.
Yeah. It says I got an hour and a half to get home, so
southeast of Fort Wayne. So if you guys are into that and you guys are looking for that kind of stuff, give them a call and let them know that the guys with the YouTube channel sent you. They'll probably know who you mean. So
nice clean place. I appreciate that.
Yeah, real nice. Anyways, we are going to get back on the road here, but that is probably going to wrap up this video because, well, it is the end of our little journey here this Sunday, and we got to get home and I got to wrap up this video and get it edited up and stuff. But like always, guys, if you guys are looking for diesel performance parts, go check out dieselautopower.com. Use the link in the description. Go to their website. All different sorts of diesel performance parts for all different types of diesel trucks. Check them out. Let them know I sent you. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, leave your comments down below, subscribe if you are new, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace.
I've been doing things that they told me I could never do now. Never do, I could never do. I've been looking back and I'm the only one who ever knew. My dreams began to turn out. I told them it's my turn now. They in the club and I'm in the studio. Guess they gonna learn now. Told myself I want it all, gotta get it all, never gonna burn out.